Hi everyone. This is video describe the process of rent item replacement in the OneCore Rental App. On the main page, go to Released Rent and choose one of them. Then scroll down and click on the rent item you want to replace. Click on the function and change the rent item. Define the date from which you want to change the rent item. And then you will see all available rent items within relevant item type group. The item is selected even though it is damaged. As you can see, the old item's return date and time are the new item's pickup date and time. In this case, the price of the new item is different. Clicking on the button you create the invoice, and the system will invoice the difference between the old and new price for the rent item. Let's take a look at the benefits of rent item replacement. The first benefit is that you can replace any active rental item for another one during the rental multiple times. You no longer need to manually search for available items during a specific period because the system will do it for you. The third benefit, the system automatically creates an invoice or credit note when the rental is terminated, ensuring the correct amount is charged. Read more about the rental management solution on our website, or you can contact our account manager by email.